All right, everyone, so we're here at Men in Black. It's a beautiful day, as you can see, and we're about to go on the Men in Black ride. Super excited. We have a bet going between me, my friend TJ, and my friend Leslie. Who is going to win? I have no clue. It's probably going to be me, though.
Heads up, hot shots. This is Agent J. Time to see what you're made of. Oh, and that red button? Don't even dream of pushing it. That kind of shooting is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go.
Emergency. Training sequence.
Woo! Bad guys just crash, landed, smack, dab in the middle of Manhattan.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill.
It's actually Steven Spielberg right now.
Looks like they're packing some serious heat. Time to roll out the welcome mat. Tell these misfits what we're made of. Getting a bit hairy out there.
Getting a bit hairy.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Getting
6 against 1.
It's an ambush. Yeah, that's not going MIB stereo. Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB. Is that a next check? Heard of it. Aim for the fusion exhaust port. What are you waiting for? Ready for the station?
Are you silent?
The biggest, nastiest bug I've ever seen has just landed. If you're in Times Square or anywhere in the vicinity, we are picking up one of humongous alien. It's a big, big bug. I can get no more clear than that. I need a visual. You are right on top of it. It is right there. Right there in Times Square. That bug is huge. So get ready to zap this thing. I'm going to show the bug here. Muy grande. And it is getting very grande.
Oh, no.
It's huge.
He's beating us!
Deploying subatomic force.
Hey, look at that! Yeah.
Time to suit up.
Whoever we got the suit.
It'll be ready next Wednesday.
I can't wait until next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday gonna be great.
That was pretty.
Galaxy Defender.
I don't remember now.
Guys,
All
okay, I can't wait for this. What happened? Has it begun yet?
Please remain seated until
I think we're done.
directs you to exit.
I won, right? I remember nothing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And remember, at Parks with Benefits, we have the parks. You watching, that's the benefit. Be sure to click that like button, subscribe, and tell all of your friends all of the new knowledge that you've learned. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.